Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to sort your Telegram sticker packs from most used to least. Sorting your sticker packs can help you quickly access your favorite ones. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Step 2. Go to the stickers menu by tapping on the smiley face icon on the chat bar. From the bottom right corner of the stickers menu, tap on the gear icon to access the settings. Step 3. In the sticker settings, look for the option called Dynamic Pack Order. Enable this option by toggling it on. By enabling the Dynamic Pack Order option, Telegram will automatically sort your sticker packs based on their usage, with the most frequently used packs appearing at the top. That's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily sort your Telegram sticker packs from most used to least, ensuring quick access to your favorite stickers. We hope you found this full guide helpful in learning how to sort your Telegram sticker packs. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and guides. Thank you for watching, and enjoy organizing your sticker collection in Telegram.